Alright, so today we are at the Midwest Nationals in Madison, Illinois. See the big boys race here. It's starting to fire up already. So let's dive in. If you've never heard or smelled a Top Fuel dragster or funny car, there's nothing like it. Oh, Clay Milliken, we've seen him many a time.
And here comes the winningest ever, Tony Schumacher, our marquee matchup from earlier this morning. And again, with two cars of this caliber. Gets the win.
Leave me a comment, let me know what class of cars you like and if you have a favorite driver. Pretty cool setup here to Ron Cap's Top Fuel funny car here. These guys really, when they set up their work area, they actually, even when they get back, this is how they work on it back in their garage too. They work out of the trailer. You never know what you're going to see here.
Of what pair they run in, because the run order is determined by performance. Quickest car,
huge boat.
They can decide first, second,
I don't know
third,
what class it races in,
we get
but
into the next round. Top Fuel back
it's a
on
big
track,
one.
coming in right behind them.
Twin turbocharged V8 looks like.
Stock showdown. A lot more heads up.
It's pretty cool setup here with this old Chevy car hauler, old 57 on the back of it. It's a nice setup. Gives me ideas for a Jeep hauler. So in between rounds, these teams are all just thrashing. They got like 45 minutes to get these things back tuned up and back on the track. So they are getting with it, getting these things running again. You've seen Clay has already started his rig up. Let's see what Clay Milliken's doing. So let's go over here and see what the Pro Stock guys, they should be coming back here soon and start thrashing on their stuff. So let's see what they've got. Top Fuel boys should be out before long, and pretty good day. It's hot though. Erica Enders, one of the winningest women in drag racing, getting ready for the next round. We're at the Greg Anderson pit here. Guess they're getting ready. I don't know if they won or lost. I assume they won. Seen a Trick Tools bike go past. Now we've done some work with Trick Tools on the channel in the past, but not really much lately. So let's check this one out. About to reach out to them. It's been a while since I've reached out to them to see if we've worked together some more. Little junior dragsters are a neat way to get them in early and get them started. Where you know it, they're in the big boys.
Somebody's going to go on with an opportunity to make more, and somebody's going to start thinking about Texas. First pair, second round. Big time point battle here in the countdown to the championship. For the Capco boys, by 1,000 of a second, Clay Milliken and Mike Salinas. 185 and 285 miles an hour. Clay Milliken's car quit. Blake Alexander wins at 668, 164 miles an hour. Both drivers got to be ready to pedal if it comes to that. Right to the house, 406, 308 miles an hour for Caps. Right there with it. Second. Down the racetrack they go. It's going to be great. And he's squared the tire anyway. 656, 209 and 98, 6.563 for Bo Butner in that Johnson's Horsepower Garage.
People are starting to put their stuff up. They didn't make it. Good time to kind of see what it all looks like. Heads and the blower and everything are taken off of it. Big old table full of clutch disc. You can see the fuel pumps there. You can see they're literally riding that thing. Merch trailer here that, I should say merch tent. Got pretty much everything in it. So all the teams have their own merch trailers and everything.
Started on that. And
however, he leaves a very skilled and dedicated team of men.
Clay Milliken send it back to another Illinois final, the Rick Ware Racing Team. Second in the points coming in. First and third are already taking the awning down and thinking about Texas. So both these drivers got an opportunity to make a move. Luna's going to win it. 377 beats 382. Reaction?
Okay, so that's everything but the finals.
Goes to the final round again.
So I met Clay Milliken several times. Couldn't be a better guy going into the finals. And Leah, well, I think she'll give him a run for his money, but hope he steps on that loud pedal and pulls it off.
Mrs. Bemidji.
They do everything. It was Clay Milliken off to the line there.
time his illustrious
Clay Milliken won.
They were identical on reaction time.
Step on that loud pedal. I hope you enjoyed the Midwest Nationals at the Worldwide Technology Raceway. I always love getting out to the big drag races. There's nothing like the feel and sound of a top fuel dragster or funny car. I hope you're enjoying this. I hope you like all the different content on the channel. Let me know if there's something you want to see, and I'll see you here on our next adventure. Thanks for watching.